R. H. Whitaker's five-kingdom system of classification did not take viruses, viroids and lichens into account. Viruses and viroids are acellular organisms. Since only organisms with cell structures were regarded as living, they were not included in the classification because they were not considered true living beings. Viruses are non-cellular organisms that possess an inert, crystalline structure outside their living cell. The name virus was coined by Louis Pasteur. The word virus means venom. The name is apt because when a virus infects a cell, it takes over the host cell's machinery to replicate itself. In this process, the host cell is killed. Though a virus remains inert outside its host cell, it cannot live independently without its host. Thus, viruses are known as obligate parasites. It was D.J. Ivanowski who in 1882 discovered the tobacco mosaic virus, or TMV, the microbe that causes mosaic disease in tobacco. This virus was smaller than a bacteria. Later, in 1898, M.W. Bjerrenik demonstrated that extracts of infected tobacco plants could also cause infection in other healthy plants. He referred to the virus as contagium vivum fluidum, meaning infectious living fluid. W. M. Stanley, in 1935, further proved that viruses could be crystallized. This meant fluid could be converted into crystals. These viral crystals are mainly protein crystals. In addition to proteins, viruses have a genetic makeup comprising either RNA or DNA. Therefore, viruses are nucleoproteins and their genetic material is infectious. Usually, viruses that infect plants have single-stranded RNA, while those that infect animals have double-stranded RNA or DNA. Bacteriophages, the viruses that infect bacteria, usually have double-stranded DNA. Typically, bacteriophages have a protein coat called a capsid that protects the nucleic acids. A capsid is made up of small subunits called capsomeres that are arranged either helically or in a polyhedral manner. Viruses infect plants, causing symptoms such as mosaic formation, leaf rolling and yellowing, dwarfing, and stunted growth. Humans too can be affected by viruses. Diseases such as the common cold, mumps, and smallpox are known to be caused by viruses. Even AIDS is caused by a virus known as HIV. Like viruses, viroids are also infectious, only they are smaller. They were first discovered by Theo Diener in 1971. Viroids lack the protein coat that viruses have. Hence the name viroid. Also, they have free RNA of low molecular weight. They are known to cause potato spindle tuber disease. Lichens, though they may look like single organisms, actually have two organisms inside them: algae and fungi. Both algae and fungi together have a mutually beneficial association called symbiosis. The algae component, known as phycobiont, is autotrophic, while the fungal component, called mycobiont, is heterotrophic. So, algae prepare food for fungi, and fungi in turn provide shelter and absorb water and nutrients for algae. Therefore, viruses, viroids and lichens were not placed anywhere in the classification system.